Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good evening to everyone. So, my name is Muhammad Afif bin Amri. My metric number is 281442 and this is my partner.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Arakim Ahmad Karudin. My metric number is 281514.
Okay, so today we will present about our program which is electric billing system. So, I will pass to my partner to elaborate more about this application.
Okay, so the first part is the main page of the electric billing system, which is the welcome to electric billing system will appear on the screen, and we will start our program, and then we have to press register. Start our program. So this graphical user interface will appear on your screen, which is the registration form of our system, which is the welcome to electric billing system. So the first step is we have to fill in the blank space there, which is the customer name. So I will put name as Afif, and then we fill the customer address. She's 56 Taman Pasu. Okay, then the address. After that, the account number, the customer's account number. Just put account number code. And okay, next step is the previous meter reading in kWh. So I will just put the meter reading 5422, and after that is the current meter reading 5742. Okay, so after we already fill in the customer's detail, we have to press the add button there to register the customer. So the message will appear, which is the registration is successful. So it means that our customer fill the registration form correctly. So the display bill will appear on the screen, which is the account number will appear, and then the name of the customer Afif, the account number, the address, the current meter reading, which is 5742 that we filled before, and the previous meter reading 5422, and the total unit consumed is 320, which is it come from the current meter reading minus the previous meter reading. So the rebate 2% is RM1.75, and the total amount charged, which is before tax, is RM87.32. The service tax, 6% is after rebate is the amount after tax, after rebate, which is RM5.30, and the total amount charged after tax is RM90.70. So this is the customer total amount to be paid. So we press back, and then after that if we want to add another customer, we have to press clear. Okay, so the registration form there will be blank like before. So we want to register the new customer. So we just put the name as Iril, and then customer address. We just fill in like usual. So 60 Taman Teja, and the account number. Let's put 12345678009. Okay, so the previous meter reading, for example, we put 6300, and the current meter reading put 7210. Okay, So after we already fill the customer's detail, we press add again. So there the message will appear. It will appear registration successful, and the display bill also will be appeared on your screen again like before. So the display bill, which is the name, account number, address, current meter reading, previous meter reading, total unit consumed, which is the current meter reading minus the previous meter reading, the rebate 2%, 8 ringgit, 3 cent, total amount charged just before tax 401. So the service tax and also the total amount charged, which is 416 and 88 cent. So we press back. Then there will be the list of the customer, which is the two customers there that we already registered. So the first customer is Afif and the second customer is Iril. So that's all for the registration form. So next I will pass to my partner Afif.
Okay, thank you, Arif, for explaining about add button and clear button. So I will explain about more detail about edit button and search button. So for edit button, the customer can only add the customer name, their address, previous meter reading and current meter reading. The account number, for the account number, customer cannot edit because it can lead to some miscommunication or something else. So let's say I want to edit the customer name. So from Irene, we put Irene Hakim, and the previous meter reading, if the customer looking about the previous meter reading or current meter reading, you also can edit to and submit. So let's say for the current meter reading, we put 7,010. So when we press the edit button, your edit is success. So you can see at the name, we can see Irene Hakim will appear because we already edit the name. And the total unit consumed also will appear, which is 710, the usage of which is the current meter reading minus previous meter reading. You can get the total unit consumed. So if you want to know the total charge, so you can press the search button and you must put the account number that you edit before. For example, we want to search Aire Hakim, the new charge. We put the account number, which is 0203902488. So when we press OK, the message will appear and it contains search found. So when we click OK, the display bill will appear. You can see the name already edit, Aire Hakim, and current meter reading and previous meter reading also edit. And we can see the total unit consumed is 710 as displayed at the table before. So you can see the rebate, which is 0. Total amount charged before tax is 291 ringgit point 86 cent. So the service tax is 6% as the rebate, which is 70 ringgit and 51 cent. So you can see the total amount charged is after tax is 309 ringgit. So you press the back button, you can see the total unit consumed same like you can see before for 710. So let's say the we clear this part, we put another customer. let's say we put Izzah, the address is, and the account number we put this number. The previous meter reading, we, let's say we put 2000, and the current meter reading we put 1958. When we press add button, this will appear. The previous meter reading must be smaller than current meter reading. That means Izzah put the current meter reading is smaller, so this program cannot calculate the total charge. So the registration is failed. Same as if you put account number, your account number must be 10 digits. That means that Izzah put their account number is wrong. Her account number wrong, which means the account number either less than 10 digits or must exceed the 10 digits number. So the also the previous meter reading must be smaller. So the registration is failed. So either can edit the account number and the current meter reading. Let's say for, so when she press add button, the registration is success, and we press OK. And this is the Izzah display billing system for the result. You can see as usual, the name, account number, address, current meter reading, and previous meter reading is same as Izzah's input, and the total unit consumed, rebate, uh, tax, and total amount charged after tax is like the system calculate. So that's all from you can see Izzah names also appear in this table. So that's all from our group. And one more thing, you can see this close button if you want to close this application. So if you press yes, so this system is closed. uh, okay, that's all from us. Hope this system will help you to know about more about the electric billing system. That's all from us. Thank you.